Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reduce the video quality in Amazon Prime. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these tips as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Prime Video app and you'll be seeing something like this. Now tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap that you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside there you'll be seeing this option that is stream and download option. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside stream and download, tap on stream quality, and once you're inside stream quality you'll be having these four options, that is best, better, good and data saver. Now in order to reduce the video quality in Amazon Prime, all you gotta do is tap on good or simply tap on data saver and toggle this use highest quality on Wi-Fi off, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.